car here. Wow, this is very cold. Oh my God, it's far away. I'm passing this giant truck here. It's cold, 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 cold. It's cold, cold, cold. I thank you, Lord. It's warm here.
Look at this shit.
Magnet. What is it? What is this? Look. I don't know what is that thing. Huh. No idea. I'm using a magnet here. Where is the magnets? Unlocking magnet. Come on, magnet, where are you? That was my happiness when we stopped by. Just the magnet. I'm looking at the magnet are. Yeah, there. Excuse me, do you have state magnet?
State magnets? Yeah, those are going to be up in our gift store. So you'll go right up those stairs, and then it should be straight ahead, and you'll see on the right we have another set of 4 stairs.
Okay.
And then we have like a whole bunch of like t-shirts, merchandise, everything. in
Sure.
there.
Thank you so much. Okay, I need to go there. It's really nice to talk to the staff so that you don't know where you go. You know where you're going, so I go there. And this area, up. I don't know, it's very cold outside. Watch your step. The color of Iowa is yellow. That's why. Oh, this is southern here. This is for your plate. Pork. It's nice. Oh. This is for the table. Oh, that's nice. There's an handle. That was 4 pieces. Why 4 pieces only? It's not 6. That's not much. Oh, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm looking for the souvenirs. He said it's here. Oh, my dog is yucking at me. souvenirs is here. Oh, this is souvenirs here. Interesting. Oh, here. Hey, a woman. She's a woman. There you go. Oh, it's a patches. No, I don't like patches. I want oh, it's not good.
Is this a gift for somebody?
Yes.
Do it.
All characters is here. Merry Christmas. I don't know where is those magnets. I'm looking for the magnets. I hope it's here. Smell good here. Oh, the souvenirs. Magnets.
Same thing. You're standing behind, you're ready to pay.
I know. I can smell it.
The shower's over that way.
Nine 62.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And I don't need this. I need, well, I better pay you first.
You want me to show this in the garbage for you?
Yes. All right, thank you.
I'm looking for the state magnet. Do you have here?
I'm sorry?
State magnet. Magnet.
Up in our souvenir section in front of the food court.
Oh, thank you. Food court. This place is very huge. It's hard to find where are those market that I'm looking for. It's here. Yes. Come in here, I guess. This is the right way. Hi. Let me check. I do not magnet yet. Richards is crazy about Iowa thing, but I don't like this one. It's ugly. Kind of class little bit. I don't know. Fruit of the loom. I have Iowa. Wow. Oh wow. It's expensive. I cannot bring in Philippines. I don't want to break things. Look like this before, but oh, imagine that $19. If I bring in Philippines, I break that thing. Maybe I try. Maybe I buy Ritz this. Looking portable XXX. I don't know where is he. Natural extra ano.
That's the way it works.
Yeah. That is nice. I'm looking for rich size. What's small but look like big. Something souvenirs. Souvenir here. Oh yeah, yeah. Is that no more? What the heck? I don't know where is he. Guys, I'm sorry. But I'm looking. The dolls.
They never have Smith's name.
Smith is not a name.
You are not named.
I'll keep an eye out.
Jerry, I got one for you.
Here you go.
I did find it one time. I should have bought it. Yeah. So you did find it one time?
Yeah.
She got me with that. Where'd it go? She got me with that. Okay, there's you. What? What was it? I love my dog. Tony. That's Tony.
You're not gonna grab that one piece with you?
Where's that? Number one dad. Number one dad. Rude. You got me. Almost Mina. Yeah. Mina I've seen before. Ever. Here. What crazy? What crazy? Jeffrey, Jenny, Jesse, Jessica, Brian. Jolton, Julian. Brian got class again.
I'm always gonna do your racing thing.
Make sure you go rip this shirt back. Again, my name is on there. Oh, I found my name.
Because she would have been trying to snuggle up in the bed with him, and you'd be like, oh, hell no. If I was too drunk, I'd be like, you didn't get shut my dog. Come here. I thought it's somebody that said it going away.
Hello, babe. Hello? I'm here in the food court. Food court. Okay, I'm here in the souvenirs in front of the Taco Bell. Magnet souvenir. Ah, I see you, babe. Oh no, it's not you. I thought that was you. I'm here in the magnets area. You see taco order here? I'm here at the back. Babe, here. Hey, go in your, look in the left. You see Wendy's Taco Bell's order here. Yay. Hey, my love, just off the phone. I'm here in the magnet. I don't know, you know your wife is crazy of magnet. This magnet is expensive. Come on. We got Chicago here. Look like I have Chicago already. $2.99. $6.99. I guess I get that one, then this. Why is expensive? Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is big truck stopper in Illinois. Rich is there in the other side. Even proper. So like and subscribe. Thank you. Catch you in my next video. Don't forget to channel Reading with Brett, YouTube channel, if you want to learn how to thread extra money, expense time, Reading with Brett.